how to eliminate these flashing little icons of the display of this Decathlon watch. Decathlon. You have to press the mode button, this one on the left, and it is even mentioned here mode. And the first mode is the time, this 19 o'clock and 33 minutes. Press the mode button again, and now it is showing the chronometer. Up there was the text and it disappears. So the chronometer has its own icon here in the lower right corner. That one is flashing. It's flashing because the chronometer is stopped. If I continue it with this one, notice it's not flashing anymore. Okay, so stop it first with the upper right button, then hold down the lower right button to reset it, and after you reset it, this icon will disappear. So hold down this button, reset, and this little icon disappeared. It's not flashing anymore. Now press the mode button to go to the third mode. This is the timer. The same thing, if I press the upper right button, then the timer is counting backwards. Okay, so stop it. When it's stopped, it's flashing. The same thing, reset the timer with this lower right button. Reset. And that placed it back to half an hour. And it also turned off the flashing little icon there. Now go to the next one, because we have to eliminate that little bell icon also. So press the mode button. This is the alarm. The alarm can be disabled with the upper right button. Now the alarm is off. It will not ring at 7 o'clock in the morning. And if I press it again, it is on. So disable that one and press the mode button once again. And it's back to the time. So no more icon in the left corner, no more icon in the right corner, and it's not showing the bell in the upper right corner either. So all that was done by cycling to the desired mode using this button, stopping it and resetting it. So that's the time, that's the chronometer, it's stopped, that's the timer, it is stopped, and that's the alarm and it's disabled. And it's back to time. So that's how to eliminate those flashing little icons of the screen of this Decathlon watch.